Hi, my name is Paul Metra. I had surgery on my shoulder to replace, well, shoulder replacement surgery on my left side with Dr. Alexander Weber. And it's been about 16 weeks now, and I'm pretty happy with the results I'm getting. I had extreme pain for probably 3 years, where the last couple of months were the worst. From an old injury which developed arthritis and prompted the surgery I had, and I'm thoroughly happy, actually really happy with the results. Never been as flexible and as, I guess, normal on my left side as I've ever been in the last, probably since the original injury more than 20 or 30 years ago. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it, and I highly recommend the Keck Hospital at USC with all their orthopedic doctors here as well. Thanks.